Hey guys, what's going on? King Curse TV, back with another sneaker unboxing. Yes, this week's video is a sneaker unboxing. If you guys didn't see in the comments down below on my last vid, I'll let you guys know that it's going to be every Wednesday from now on. So, one video a week as of right now, every Wednesday. Unless my schedule changes, that's how it's going to be. This is Tuesday right now. No, this is Wednesday right now. About to record this video. Pretty hype right now. The reason I'm hype is because me and my friend Leif. Yeah, I have a little Leif counter up in the corner mentioned. We're gonna go see the Yankees play the wild card game tonight. I don't know who saw the game last night. Rockies versus Cubs in Chi-Town. Crazy game. 13 innings. Rockies pulled it out 2-1. That was the hope. I was hoping the Rockies would win, and I'm pretty excited they did. I like them a lot better than Cubs. Dodgers also clinched the division spot, which I was very happy about. I don't know if most of you guys know or not. I'm a huge Dodgers fan, also a huge Yankees fan. I'm not going to get into that debate of which team I like more, because no one believes me, it doesn't matter. But tonight, we're going to go see the Yankees versus the Athletics in the wild card game. Sevy's pitching, which I don't agree with, but I'm pretty friggin' excited. This is going to be so crazy. I've never been to a playoff game in any sport, and MLB is my favorite, so the atmosphere is going to be absolutely insane. Yeah? Okay. Hi everyone. Today's Tuesday, which means last night was Monday. Hopefully this will be posted today, or tomorrow, I mean. So if it's been a really rough weekend for New York sports fans. 63-yard field goal. 16 to 1. That sounds more like a Giants game to me. I can't let the Giants put up 30 points. That's insanity. That you can get around the applause for that. But 16. Anyway, this is a sneaker unboxing. I've been trying to get out to you guys for, I can't tell you how long. I'm so sorry it's taking this long. I'm a week late on it. I had some family stuff going on. Someone in my family passed away. I had funerals and shit, and I just wasn't able to get this out in a timely manner. It's out of the box. I might include a clip earlier because I was recording like a week ago on the beginning of it, and then shit happened. My power went out. It's been a classic Dan life, the last couple of weeks. Nothing's changed. So, just proves to you this is an unboxing. It's also just a review at this point. But as you can tell by the box at this point, they're Kyrie's. It is a Kyrie 4. Wanted this shoe for a pretty decently long time. I first saw these on Jason Tatum at the All-Star game. Me and my friend Justin were watching the NBA All-Star game. We saw him wearing these, like, holy crap, those are nice. These are really, really nice. So if you know anything about what he wore then, or during the finals, he also wore them. Not the finals. He also wore them during the playoffs, so sorry. So if you know anything about that, you might know what these shoes are. So without further ado, ooh, baby. If you can tell, yes, these are the Female is Power. Female Power joints. These are really, 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 really dope. They're to represent and promote, females. Just show that they are just as powerful as their male counterparts. So yeah, put your seat, please. These are crazy dope. Give you a 360 view. See over there, they have some different words. Phenom, power is female. We are a new generation. On the back, you have it's like a basketball turned into like, obviously the sign for female, which is a really dope thing they did there. You have the speckled midsole, orange and blue on that tealish turquoise, which is my favorite color. Have the little sky blue Nike swoosh coming into like a mesh kind of upper, not really toe box right here. Reinforced. Z cut down the middle, give better mobility for when you're making cuts or sharp turns, so that when you go like that or go like that, it's not as like stuck. The shoe conforms to moving sideways. That's a lot of Kyrie's have stuff like that, especially with the kind of player he is, who greatest handler of all time, at least that I've ever seen. Number 11 in there. Check out the front of the shoe. So yeah, just a little quick review. The insole is just, let me get the lighting right. See if I can get it in there for you. It's the Kyrie logo in orange on the teal. So just an orange and teal shoe. The little hits of baby blue and the white on the bottom. Pull tab has the Kyrie logo. Awesome message with these shoes. Kyrie did a great job with it. The colorway's dope. They also do come with, make sure your dock does have that stamp though. These are coming with the Kyrie Force. It also has the red stamp up there. They do come with orange laces, which I think they would, I don't know which I'd rather, but the orange laces are coming up fuego on camera, and they are. They're not like as crazy bright as you're seeing, but they are like, they're hyper orange. They're definitely hyper. So, that. I mean, you know, it's up to you. But the orange would look dope too. Maybe I'll put the orange laces in one of the shoes and do like a little update and show you guys and ask you guys what you think would look best. But yeah, overall that's it. Blue laces, regular laces, not rope or wax. They're Kyrie's, so it's not like you're gonna have crazy quality. The tongue is mesh, holes for ventilation here on the toe box. Plastic aglets, nothing special there. Get you the size tag, sizing 11.5. They do come paper. No shoe trees, but it's paper. It's the best I'm gonna get. You can see the UPC number if you pause it. Other than that, though, that's it. Dope concept. Dope shoe. They honestly, Kyrie and Nike brand killed this. Killed the concept. Killed the shoe. This on the upper, I've never even seen this kind of material here. On the, it's like a rubbery plastic almost, and the words are like embroidered. They pop out. I love these, I really do. That's really it. That's it for this little review here. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me what shoes you're interested in seeing, what shoes you think I should cop. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so I ended up putting the orange laces in. I honestly can't tell. They might be a little bit much. I don't know, even for me, and I like crazy. I don't know. Let me pull that tongue up for you. It is kind of crazy though. What do you guys think? The orange or the turquoise? I might even be leaning towards the orange now because I'm crazy. They're both dope, but hit me up. Drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think.